Good morning to my potato farm. So today I'm really happy that I've woken so early, and honestly I have put in so many alarms to wake me up. Yes, that's true. So I got up, done all the essentials, and recently I have switched my normal brush to an electric brush, and it just works wonders for me. Also this time जब मैं घर गई थी, so my mom gave me this copper container to store the water. So आजकल मैं इसी से पानी पीती हूँ, and Google also says that such water boosts immunity and improves the brain function.
Hi guys, finally it's like after so long we are finally awake at 4:30 am. Yes, I'm literally so happy. So I'll just give you guys a life update कि मेरे दिमाग में एकदम से कैसे आ गया like why should I wake up at 4:30? Last month if you've realized कि almost every day I did an upload, either shorts or the full YouTube video. Then I was studying also, and like a point came when I got so frustrated that I thought to take a break. So I took a break, and break लेने के लिए I went for a trip to Tungnath. So the trip was amazing, everything was going nice, and trip से आने के बाद I thought I'll be all relaxed and what not, but now the twist comes. What happened was, मैं ट्रिप से आने के बाद इतना ज़्यादा थक गई. Oh my god, literally I wanted another trip to get myself relaxed again. The day I returned from Tungnath, मेरे पास मैसेज आता है कि दूसरे दिन से मेरी मैटी पोस्टिंग शुरू हो रही है. I have already uploaded the video, वो 72 hours पोस्टिंग वाला. मैटी करने के बाद वो जो टायर्डनेस थी वो डबल हो गई. I have been waking up at 7 or 8 am ish, and yes, so that was the thing. I literally thought अब यार बहुत हो गया, I have to definitely get back on track. So here I am, and you guys are definitely with me in this 4:30 am wala journey.
So it's 5 am right now, and it's time to clean the room. And guys, अभी मैंने बहुत ही recently I got this mini vacuum cleaner जिससे कि मैं ये अपनी कारपेट साफ करती हूँ, and I really like doing that. Maybe because अभी नया आया है. Just because it's summers and 6 am पे ही काफ़ी धूप निकल आती है, so I decided to go out really early. So if you follow me regularly, you must be knowing that I usually go for swimming rather than, going out in a park. Taj pool बनता, so I decided to go out for some fresh air. Yes, this park has got a pond and इसमें बहुत सारी fishes हैं. Look, एक अंकल आए थे, इन्होंने खूब सारा खाना ले आए थे fishes के लिए. And look, ये सब कुछ खाती चली जा रही हैं. Oh my god, there are so many fishes. Okay, then I ran 2 kilometers, walked barefoot in the grass because इससे eyesight improve होती है, ऐसा लोग कहते हैं. Okay, while walking I found this mulberry का पेड़ जिसमें बहुत सारे मलबेरी लगे थे. हिंदी में हम शहतूत कहते हैं. So I plucked few berries for myself and they tasted so yum. And it's already about 6:30, तो मुझे फटाफट से वापस भी जाना था. वापस आते समय I had नारियल पानी और उसके साथ मैंने मलाई भी खाई उसकी.
I am back and I have literally changed my t-shirt because I got so sweaty. Okay, you won't believe it was like 6 am, but इतनी ज़्यादा कस के धूप थी, like sweat all over my body. Okay, so just because my hair got so dirty today, I need to wash it, and today I decided to try something new, and that is okay, Bee Blunt hair spa. And guess what? It just takes 5 minutes to get everything done. So I think this hair spa just fits so well into my hectic schedule. Because I'm vlogging today, let's try this out together. Okay, so guys, I have shampooed my hair. I know I'm wearing specs while bathing because otherwise I won't be able to shoot. I won't be able to see myself. Okay, so it's time to put the spa on. Basically, I'm gonna put this much on my hair today. Let's just do it. Okay, so I know I am looking like a chunky. Now this is the cap. Not gonna lie, but this is in itself so hot. I don't know how, but this cap is actually heating. Okay, so guys, it's written that I have to massage my hair with the self-heating cap on. So let's just do it. Let's wait for 5 minutes and we'll rinse my hair and show it to you guys. And the ingredients of this spa is
It has got rice which makes the hair smooth, shiny and strong from roots to ends. Silk protein which adds to the elasticity and prevents breakage. Also it has got shine tonic that enhances shine, giving it a glossy look to your locks.
I can already feel the smoothness, like whenever there are no tangles, So let's just go. You can get a flat 20% off if you're gonna use my code that's appearing on the screen, that is Purvi2024. This coupon code is applicable on BBlunt's official website. So here you can also find these products on Amazon, Nykaa as well as Flipkart.
BBlunt also has range of other masks as well, so you can check them out.
So go make the purchase and have shiny hair.
2,000 years later.
After the shower, I got down for a study session. It's almost around 6:30 and let's do a study session of 45 minutes. Like, for a good aroma, I lighted my favorite lavender scented candle. So this study session is going to be of 45 minutes. So I'm revising uterine prolapse from gynecology, and if you're a 4th year medical student, then let me know in the comment section if you have studied the uterine prolapse chapter or not. And not just this, I also solved the question bank and got such a great result. So it's 7:25 and we have got exactly 35 minutes to get ready for the college and have our breakfast. So let's just hurry up. So I'm preparing this high protein muesli bowl, adding some banana. Oh my god, you should definitely try this. It takes literally no time to prepare and it just tastes amazing. Also, I'm chopping the watermelon to carry it for the college. You can say hi to my melon in the comment section. And putting on some good music from Stephen Sanchez while eating my muesli bowl, and good music and good food just makes the perfect combination. Up ekdam fatafat se I took out the clothes and got ready for the college. Look at the hair, they look so shiny. Okay, then doing the skincare, applying the toner, serum, moisturizer, and the most important of all, the sunscreen. You cannot skip that. I think this black kurta and palazzo just looks great. Then combing the hair and putting on the lip balm, and that's it.
Suntan, sunscreen, strawberry, ice cream, midsummer's day.
So the first lecture today is surgery from 8 to 9. After that we have got pediatrics from 9 to 10, and 10 o'clock se I've got my gynecology posting, so gotta go there. So today we have to go to the skill lab where we are taught a lot of new things. We saw a lot of specimens, and then 1 o'clock pe we got back to the hostel.
Okay guys, before ending the video, I just wanted to let you guys know, like right now I'm feeling so satisfied. Like I have literally experienced why people always say ki be an early riser or wake up before sunrise, because you know I woke up at 4:30 and tab se leke abhi it's just 8 o'clock and मैंने इतने सारे काम कर लिए. I have done my workout, मैंने breakfast भी कर लिया, मैंने नहा भी लिया, I've done my skincare, I've done the spa, I have studied as well. I've done so much of work and it's just 8 AM. So basically मेरे पास अब पूरा दिन बचा है to you know do the more important tasks like studying or you know completing my unfinished tasks. If you guys also have some pending tasks, put an alarm, watch the video, and you know just wake yourself up early at 4 or 4:30 and just get yourself going. So that is the plan. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys did and you got some motivation from my lifestyle, then do hit the subscribe button, and bye bye, see you guys in the next one. So do not forget to comment down early morning club, because I think we are gonna make a great team. Let me know in the comment section what schedule are you planning for yourself for tomorrow, so that I can also take some inspiration from you guys.